Good day guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming performance. So let us go straight into our settings guys, and in here in the search bar type in background apps, and in here guys when you open up the settings go to gaming. Then guys I recommend, if you don't use game bar, just turn it off. Why? Because it will constantly be running in the background expecting you to press a certain shortcut or a button on your controller or on your on your keyboard and open it up. So it's going to be eating your CPU cycles and might actually make your, say, 1% lows in your video games worse. So if you don't use this, just turn it off. Then go ahead and into the game mode, go into this section and turn this on. So it will be turning off the things running in the background when you start your game. So this is pretty much a very good thing to use. Then go to settings and graphics. Then enable optimization for windowed games. Open this and then make sure that your HAGS is enabled. It's the short for this time right here. Turn it on. And also what I recommend, you can just add your app or game into this list, and then you go here and then just make sure to, under this GPU preference, go ahead and drop this down and choose high performance. So for example, if you have a laptop or something, or just a gaming PC, you don't want, for example, your system to be using your integrated graphics in your processor. You only want to be using the best GPU that you have installed in your system. And that's pretty much it. Also, you can go and open up your startup apps. There you go. And then just from this list, disable what you don't want, right? For example, this OneNote, I don't need that. So these pretty much are toggles that make sure that your certain apps that you don't need to start at the system start, so that they won't pretty much start automatically. So this will pretty much grant you a better gaming experience. Enjoy guys, like and subscribe as always, and see you soon.